Slayer.
I think we have too many people on our team.
Yeah, hold on, I'll fix that.
Slayer.
I had to boot them.
Oh.
So what's the freaking plan?
I guess we have to kill the other team.
Yeah, well, let's get on that.
I got the tank! Woo! Crap! Well, that was pointless.
Yeah, well, we can snipe them.
Double kill.
See? Not that hard.
What the freak was that?
A modder. Hold on. I closed the party too.
Good. Oh my good golly gracious, here they come.
Charge! Ah!
Let's go! Ah!
Wow, that was intense.
Sure was.
Yeah, but you died.
Oh well.
Well, time to play again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
One of those one.
awesome. Do it again.